Welcome to our channel. If you want to claim a free trial through membership renewal promotions to reactivate your account or try new features, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Check your email for promotional messages from services you've previously used. Companies often send renewal promotions to former members with special free trial offers. Step 2. Visit the official website of the service and log in to your existing account using your previous credentials. Don't create a new account as the promotion is tied to your existing membership. Step 3. Look for banners or notifications about renewal promotions on your account dashboard. These offers are typically displayed prominently for eligible users. Step 4. Click on the promotional offer to view the details, including the length of the free trial, what features are included, and any terms or conditions. Step 5. Read the fine print carefully to understand what happens after the trial period ends. Some promotions automatically convert to paid subscriptions unless you cancel. Step 6. Click Activate Trial or Claim Offer to start your renewed free trial period. The features should become available immediately in your account. Step 7. Verify your payment information is up to date if required, even though you won't be charged during the trial period. Step 8. Set a calendar reminder for a few days before the trial ends so you can decide whether to continue with a paid subscription or cancel. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.